Dheeraj, I noticed that you followed an unconventional path in your career. You pursued your you started your own business. You, even after graduating from one of the best colleges in India, you didn't go for a job. You it might have been very easy for you to get a high paying job, but instead you went for a startup. So why, and yes, why one should go for a startup according to you?
Honestly, I think the number one reason is that if you are passionate about something, right, the best way to follow that passion is to do something and build something about that passion. For me, I was very passionate about recruitment, employment, and upskilling. So I found that this was a perfect niche for me, wherein I could contribute in some positive way, utilize my degrees as well as my skill sets and my network in a constructive manner and deliver value to people. Right. A lot of startups happen today, with this daydream of being a unicorn. The fact is, which is again a very aspirational goal and not a practical goal. Goals at a startup level when you're starting up have to be very practical and implementable. If you keep a goal that you become a unicorn at the end of 1 year of your startup, that's a daydream. It might become a reality, but for 99% of the people, it's not going to happen. But if you keep a target at the end of the year, you would want to have a 1 crore revenue for a product or service that you're passionate about. That's an achievable goal, right? So this is something that anybody who's starting up must realize, that startup goals must be set in a very practical and objective manner. While they are always based on passion, you cannot have passion as a measure of business decision making. Passion is a great idea for making personal career choices that you do not want to do a job but a startup. But when you enter a startup and start your own business, business decisions must be based on data and objectivity.